Mr. Burns. You and I were down here. We were cranking. We got the U-bolts all done. Axles on there. All situated. Everything's nice.
Shocks.
Shocks are in and done. Did we tighten up the top of the shocks?
Going to right now.
All right. Shackles are done. Proper
And
location.
Sitting
right. And they're nice and tight.
Oh, if anybody asks first, before we tighten all the suspension bolts or nuts, we put all the weight on it. Okay.
Put on the big stands. Drop the car down.
Before anybody tries to say anything.
Yeah, because people like to run their mouths. Anyway, front bolts are in with the new big locators. They're all in. Look at that. All the suspension is together. Now it's all axle and brake.
Would you call me an asshole?
Oh, you are, but...
Well, I gotta clean the surface of the third member.
Yeah, then we can put that in. Get the gear in. Then we can start putting our stuff together.
Yeah.
Brakes and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. Looking good. Looking real good. Brake lines look nice. They're all cleaned up. Everything's nice. Get that hooked up. Looking real good. Nice work. Nice work. All right.
There.
Carry on, because we want this thing driving today.
That'd be sick.
Have a lot to do.
We going to lunch with that?
No, because it'll be after lunch. But
just kidding.
Let's get it done. Let's get it done so we can get the 54 in here so we can finish that up.